Okay, now in this sixth video of this series, what I'm going to do is we're going to get started with the with the lesson. The first 5 videos were kind of setting the groundwork and setting a foundation. So I think it's important that you understand before we get started what CSS is used for, what is the purpose of it, so that when you're learning it, you know like basically why you're learning it. So anyways, to get started, we need to download a file. So if you're in my class, you'll see a link on the top of the document that says required lesson file. To click on that link and download it. If you're browsing from YouTube and you don't have that link, you could type in this link here, goo.gl/9 capital WYFZ, and when you do that, it's going to bring to, actually let's just try that. When you do that, it's going to bring you to a I'll show you in a second here. Alright, okay, when you do that, it's going to bring you to a Google Doc, and then you go File, download it. You download the file, it downloads to a zip file, you unzip it, and when you unzip it, you will basically see, sorry, not that one, this one. Okay, when you unzip it, you'll see all these files here. So I provide you the all the graphics, the HTML file, and even a picture of what this is going to look like when it's done. Alright, and what we need to do is, if we take this, right click it, open with Notepad++. Alright, you'll see that the HTML file links in this one here to a file called style.css. Well, we don't have that yet. Okay, so we need to make it. So what we're going to do is, in the folder, we're going to right click in here, new text document, we'll just call it style.css. There we go. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to right click this, and we're going to open with Notepad++. Okay, so here's our blank style sheet. So again, our index file here, okay, our index file here is linked to this style sheet, which is empty for now. Alright, and this style sheet here, what we're going to do is, you should understand that the HTML document is looking for that style sheet in the same folder as this HTML document. You see that there's no other folders specified here. Okay, so when you see this, sorry, wrong folder. Okay, so it's looking for that style sheet. So this file here is looking for the style sheet right inside here. Okay, now let's get started. So the first order of business is, once we created the style sheet, we're going to add something to it to we're going to add something to it so that we can test out that it's actually working. Alright, so let's do that right now, just to make sure that the link between this sheet here and this file here is alive. Okay, so let's get started. So here's how we start with CSS. So I'm going to start with body. Okay, open bracket and close bracket. You notice right away that it looks totally different than HTML. So when I click in, when I have the body tag here in the style sheet, if you look in index, this whatever I define between this bracket and this bracket is going to be applied to everything from here to here. Okay, everything from here, this body tag, all the way down to this one here. Okay, so again, whatever I define in between these two brackets here, attached to this body property, is what it's called, will be applied to the body tag in HTML. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to test that it's working. I'm going to change the background color. Alright, so I'm going to go background dash color. I'm going to change it to, I don't know, green. Why not? Okay, so save it. Alright, go to your HTML doc. Go to your folder. Alright, wrong one again. Go to your folder. Double click on this, and you can see that the background changed to green. You know, let's just test it out again. Go back to your Notepad++. Change this to red. Alright. Okay. There you go. If you want to have a little bit of fun, go to Google and go site to search within. Let's see here. Yeah, I ruined it. Jesus.